Today, I'll be reviewing CourseReel, which allows you to create courses, but also promotional videos based on a few keywords. It also allows you to create quizzes and landing pages, which are two completely new modules inside of CourseReel AI. Now, in case you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description because I got a special bonus for you, or multiple bonuses, if you pick this up through my link. For now, let's dive into it and let me show you how it works. So here at the right side, it has a big button, Create Course. And when we click on this course, we can start creating a course. So let's give this course a name. So let's say we're gonna call this Demo Course. And here you can choose the country. So it has a lot of countries. You can choose your language, and I think all languages are supported here. But in this case, we're just gonna do United States and English. And from here, we can type a keyword, what kind of course we would like to create. So let's say we want to do something like dog training. That's always what I love to do in demos. And we're going to search topics. Now, the AI will search for all different kinds of topics on dog training. As you can see here, you get a bunch of suggestions that you can choose from. So let's say we just want to pick one of them, create training for puppies and adult dogs. So we use this description, and from here it suggests all different kind of chapters that we can use in our course. So we can say we want to add this one, we want to add this one, we want to add this one, and maybe you want to add one yourself. You can do that as well. Once you've chosen your chapters, you simply click on next, and then you can see that we now have 4 chapters created. And from here, we can say we want to create and write the scripts, or what we want to have in this chapter. So also for each chapter here, we have the chapters at the top. We can choose the content. So we can say generate content for the first chapter. And here you can see it suggests new content for this chapter. So we can say we're going to use this, and now we're going to go on the next one where we can choose to create a video. Now, a video can be created from stock images or from AI images. So let's say the first one, we're gonna use stock images so I can show you the difference. And then you can show the dimension or choose the dimension, which is 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. And you can also choose to have a talking head. Now that means that you can upload your own image. So I can say, for example, I'm gonna search for an image from Tim. And I can say I can choose my own profile picture here, which is a talking head that I upload. And I can also say include head movement, which means this photo will move and it will have a talking mouth on top of the photo. Now, if I like, I can also clone my voice. So when I enable this, I can upload my own voice of 30 seconds, or I can record my own voice here. And I already did that. And I can choose my voice. So here you can see my voice. Hi, my name is Tim, and this is my voice. So this is the voice that I just spoke into the software. I'm going to use this voice, and it's using an 11 Labs connection to use your voice. I'm going to click on Generate Video, and it will generate the first video for me. So this is for the first chapter of my video course. Then I can do exactly the same for the second chapter. So I can say, okay, I go to the next one and I create my next video. So here again, we can choose what kind of content we want to use inside the second chapter, and it's generating the content here. And again, you can choose from the suggested content in here. So let's say we want to use this, you can also modify it. But we click on next, and now let's say we want to have AI images to create for our content, for our course. Let's do another talking head here, and let's use one of their voices and click on Generate Video. Now, basically, you're going to do everything the same for every single chapter in here. Now, here it says awaiting customization. So the first video is already done. So when I click on Edit here, it will open the video editor for me with the suggested footage. Now, sometimes footage is not chosen correctly. So what I can do here is I can choose the first one. I can go here to the background, and I can choose from images, video, colors, upload, or images, AI images. So let's say I want to have a video of a dog. I simply type dog in here, And I'm going to choose from the list of videos here. So these are all videos provided. I can click on it, and now this video will be used for my first scene in here. So you can go over each scene here to create your video. And when you play the video here, you will hear my voice.
To maintain positive crate experiences for your dog, it's essential to establish a consistent and calming routine.
So you can see here now, these are the backgrounds. So sometimes it does not choose the correct background image or video. So we can choose it ourselves. So we choose dog material from here. And you can also modify everything on this page. So you can make this smaller, for example, if you want to have it here at the left bottom. You can move this text here, these subs, on your video wherever you would like to have these. So on top you have all of your modifications here. So let's say you want to add text to it. You simply here change the text on your video. If you want to change the media or you want to add some media on top of it, let's say you want to add an image on top of it, you simply type dog again in here, and then you can choose from this image, you can type that in here, and then you can move that on top of your video. So basically this is an editor. Same for the voiceover. This is the voiceover created in here, but you can also create other voices in here. Here you can see the AI voices here, where you can select the language, where you can select another voice. So let's say we select English in here. Then we can say English US. You can choose from the available voices that are in here. Now I have to say that the 11 Labs voices are the best, but you need to have your own 11 Labs account. Otherwise you can use the built-in voices that are provided inside of the software. Also sonority, you can connect your sonority account if you have one with your voices. You can upload your own voiceover as well, or you could record it in here as well. Now your talking head, if you like to have a talking head, you can do that. You can upload your own audio, or you can use the audio that's provided here with their library. The animations here, so you can select the animations of your images. So right now I have this image and I can apply an effect to this image. The transitions between your slides, I can also choose from all these different transitions. And as you can see, there are a lot of transitions in here. And when you hover over it, you can see what the transition exactly does in here. You can simply choose one and then it will be applied to this slide. Also in the settings, you could add a logo, a watermark, the duration here of this specific part. You can change the volumes of the voiceover and the background audio, and you can also add a call to action. This will be text on top of your video. And if you like to, there are also credits where you can upload an intro and an outro of your video. And once you're ready, you can simply click on render and your video will be rendered. Now I already created a video. Let me quickly show you what I created.
Are you ready to transform your relationship? Whether you're a new dog owner or looking to refine your training skills, our course offers valuable insights into understanding your dog's behavior and communication. Learn the secrets of positive reinforcement, effective command training, and how to address common behavioral challenges with confidence. Imagine a life where your dog listens, respects, and responds to you, creating a joyful and stress-free environment for both of you. Join us on this journey to enhance companionship. Enroll in Foundations of Dog Training today and unleash the potential in your pup, because every dog deserves a great foundation.
So that was an example video that I created with CourseReel AI Max. And that was actually not from the courses part, but from the promo video. Now the promo video works similar to the courses, but it's for a single part video. So how does that work? Exactly the same. You click on generate video in here. And then you can choose two ways. So first we're going to give this a name. So I'm going to call this demo 1. And then what you can do is you can create a promo video from course content if you already created courses, or you can do a custom input. But let's say I want to use course content. I can click on use and I can click next here. And then I can choose from one of the courses that I already created in here. So let's say I want to do the foundations of dog training. I want to create a promo video for that. I simply simply select this training and I'm going to click next. And now it will generate a script based on the training that I already created inside of CourseReel. So as you can see here, it comes with a script for the video here. And again, I can change this if I like to. I can type whatever I like to. And if I'm happy, I simply click on next. And again, I can choose from AI images or from stock images. And again, the talking head and to clone your own voice is possible in here. And I click on generate video and it will generate the video here. And once it's ready, I can simply click on edit and now I can edit the video in here, as you can see. There you go. So this is just one video instead of a whole course that you create with the software. And again, you have all these other aspects here in this sales video as well. So what I also wanted to show you, what I forgot to show you is in the course is the rendered AI images. And that we did that in the second one, remember? So let me show you that quickly as well so that you can see what kind of images it creates for those videos. And there you go. These are the images, as you can see here, that have been generated with AI. So let me go over them. As you can see, this has been created with AI. So in case you don't like to use the stock videos, you can use AI images. And as you can see, these look very, very good here. Look, all these dog images. These have been created with CourseReel AI. These are AI generated images. Now this is the wrong one, so you can generate a new one. And again, you can simply go here to the background and you can say AI image. And you can say here, for example, a dog playing in the grass. And there you go. This image is ready. I can choose it. And now this image has been replaced with an AI image here. And I can do an effect or a transition to this image to make it more active instead of a static image as it is right now. All right, that's what I wanted to show you so that you also see what the AI image generation does when you create a course. So we have the courses here where you can create these courses. And once the course is ready, you can open your chapters here and then you can download your chapters. So here you can edit it, or you can download it, or you can publish it as well. So if you like to publish it, you can publish it to Facebook, YouTube, Cybit, ScriptReel, TrimReel, or LiveReel here and directly publish it. Or you can download it and use it on your own course platform. Same thing for the promo video. If your video is ready here, you can download it or again, publish the video. So those are the courses and your promo videos. Another part of this application is a quiz maker where you can generate quizzes. So when I click on quiz maker here, I can click on create new quiz. Let's say dog questions, and I'm going to click next. And from here, I can say from course content. So again, I can generate questions based on the course content. I click on next, and here I can choose what kind of course I would like to use. So let's disable this one or enable another one. Let's say I want to use how to train your dog commands. So here you have those. Let's say I want to use those. I'm going to click on next. And here I can choose if I want to have an easy or medium or hard, and also the question count. So let's say I want to generate 20 questions and then set the limit in minutes of 150 max for completing the quiz to encourage focus. So here you can grab their name, last name and email, so you can use this as lead generation tool as well. And you can connect this to your autoresponder that you can link into your integrations part here. So when I click next here, it's going to generate 20 questions as course material for this quiz that it's going to create. And here you go. There you have the questions that you can go through. So here, why is it important to regularly refresh your dog's training? And then you can see this green part here. This is the correct answer. So here you can see the second question, 2 of 20. What should you do if your dog struggles with particular commands? Go back to the basics here or punish the dog. Next one, how can you keep your dog's training experience positive and fun? And then again, the correct answer. So you can go over all these questions and answers here. You can include answers inside a PDF in here, and you can preview and download as a PDF this as well. And here you got your quiz link. So when I open this in a new browser here, then it will look like this. Here, dog questions. So I should name this differently, But here you can see instructions. The quiz consists of 20 questions. Each question will be multiple choice, and you will have 60 minutes to complete the questions. Take the quiz, and then you can enter your name. So I'm going to do Tim Verdouw, and then an email address, and I can start the training. So when I submit here, welcome to the quiz dog questions, and start the quiz. And then I can start answering the questions. So why is it important? Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. So I can go over all these questions quickly and show you how it works. So you can see at the right top, there's a timer here. So you can see how much time you have for this survey here. And I go over them quickly to show you what it looks like at the end when you finish all the questions here. So I'm just doing quickly, giving a lot of wrong answers, but that's also what you will see here. Let's say this is question 20, and I'm going to end the quiz here. And now you can see, thank you for completing the quiz. Your score is 5 out of 20, and I can start the quiz again. Now, when I go back here to CourseReel, I can go to the participants in here, and you can see here that here you can see the participants and you can see the score. So this was me here for 25%. I can open this specific participant where you can see all the questions that this participant has filled out. So you can see here the red ones are the incorrect answers and the green ones are the correct answers, as you can see. Now, one of the downsides is that you cannot change the questions and the answers, so you really rely on what CourseReel will create for you. So that's the quiz maker, where you can create those quizzes and the participants that you can see that have filled out the quizzes. Then we have the landing page maker, which is capable of creating landing pages. I'm going to call this demo as well. I'm going to click next. And here you can do content extraction or pre-filled sections here. So you can say, let's say content extraction. We're going to click next. And again, you can say, I want to have the foundations of dog training, next. And then I can choose from one of the templates that I like to use here. So let's say we want to use this template, and I'm going to click next. And now it's going to generate the landing page for me. Now this took about 30 seconds. I refreshed the screen here, and here you can add a landing page. So you can go to the landing page. This will open the landing page for you. And you, of course, need to modify this page. So you need to upload your logo. You need to change the background here. And here you can see there will be a video that you can use here. And here, transform your training, discover key benefits for you and your dog here. And you can see here the page has been created, and then also exclusive bonuses around your dog training journey. Now, these are bonuses that are being provided. These are digital products, so this does not really have to do with dog training. So if you create digital courses, these bonuses will make more sense. But this is the landing page, and you can also modify it. So when you click on edit here, you can change the colors of this landing page, as you can see here. You can change the font. Here again, you can upload your logo. You can upload your background image. So if you change that to a dog, so let's do that. Here we can say AI images. So a dog playing in the grass, generate, and there you go. We have this image. We can use this as a background right now. And then you can embed a video. You can do that as well. So let's say we have an embed code in here. We paste that in here. And then you can say the product features section, you can enable or disable this. And then you could also choose your icons for these features. So when you click on this here, you can choose from different icons on this page. Again, the bonus section here. So right now you can see one bonus, but you can also add multiple bonuses if you like to. So if you like to add more bonuses, you can say, okay, I like to add these bonuses. Personally, I don't think this makes much sense because you can choose only from those bonuses. And of course you can use those bonuses, but this is for digital products. And as I can see, you cannot add your own bonuses, except what you can do is you can choose another image here. So basically what you do here, let's say you want to add dog bonuses, you simply add a bonus from the pre-created bonuses, and then you just swap the picture for a dog training product picture. You change the name and the heading and the description in here. And also you can change the colors here. and that will make more sense when I show the page. And then let's preview the page. You can now see that now we have the dog in the background as well. We have the video here on our page. And you can see here, this is the gradient green background for our bonus, as you can see. But if you like to change that, again, you can go to this page here and you can make this whatever color you like. So if you want to change this, and you want to change this to white as well here, and then the font to black, or the gradient here, or maybe you want to do just color, just like this one. You can simply say, I want to have this white and then the font color black. To keep it similar to the previous one here, you can do it and then swap the images for related images and the description as well. Also a thank you page section here where you have the thank you page description, where they land on as a thank you here, the terms of service, the terms of service URL, you can add that in here, and then update your landing page. And now when I refresh this page, you can see that this now has become white here. And this is what you get with your landing pages that are built inside of CourseReel AI. You can modify it in here. If you like to edit it in what you see is what you get, you can do that as well. And this will open basically a page builder for you where you can drag and drop elements yourself. So you can also change things in here. Or you can add columns in here. If you like to add a new column, you can do that, as you can see here. And then you need to add text inside of that column. You can type that in here. Or maybe you want to add a video or another image here. You can do that as well. As you can see inside of this page builder, you need to make this a little bit smaller. But basically, this is a what you see is what you get editor where you can change it like this. And then once you're done, your changes will be auto-save. And that is how you can build your pages. Then there's also an integration part here where you can integrate Facebook if you want to post your videos to Facebook. All these integrations are here. As you can see, I connected my 11 Labs account for the voiceover. And if you want to connect your autoresponder here, you can do that by entering the name and enter your opt-in code in here so that your leads will be sent to your autoresponder as well. And that's basically what CourseReel AI Max is all about. New features are the landing page, are the quiz option, are the talking head inside of CourseReel. And that's basically what it is. So again, in case you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description. It will redirect you to my website where you can see the pricing, also some bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. And thank you so much for watching. If this video was useful, please hit a thumbs up. It will help me to rank this video on YouTube. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of product reviews. So if you hit that notification bell, you will get notified each time I upload a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.